there to talk to us a little more about these types of cases, the Orangeburg mom and Susan Smith. We'd like to welcome our guest this evening, licensed psychotherapist Michelle Aycock. And Michelle, this is such a heartbreaking story.
It's very heartbreaking to see that something like this would happen.
Well, we have a lot of people talking about this story. They're really concerned, and more comments now from our WSAV Facebook page. Kimberly asks, what goes on in their head to make them think doing that it will make things better? I
think the problem is that they're really not thinking. Obviously, she was very emotionally unstable, and there were signs of it with the anger and, of course, being unemployed. But apparently, this was premeditated, and that is really disturbing.
Here's a question now, Michelle, from Joni. She wonders, what are the first warning signs of postpartum depression?
Well, some signs of postpartum depression would be being agitated, sleeping, isolating yourself, not really wanting to take care of your children, and really not talking to, family and friends.
Well, Michelle, Amanda actually makes a recommendation. Now listen to this. If a mother finds herself thinking these things, then go to your family, a friend, a neighbor, or even an adoption agency. In other words, find a support system. So, Michelle, how important is it that you have a support system?
It's very important, and there are support systems out there for these types of things. One being NAMI, our local NAMI office, the National Alliance for Mentally Ill, or it's very important for family members to really kind of notice when their family members, their behavior has changed, and really talk to them or try to get them help, especially in this case where this woman is obviously very emotionally unstable, and unfortunately the children, they were the victims.
Very sad. Well, Michelle, I know that you have a big event coming up very soon. Can you tell us quickly about that and how people can get involved?
Sure. I'm going to be holding stress workshops beginning in September, and those are for individuals that have trouble with stress, or having trouble whether they're unemployed or having problems with managing their life, and I'm going to be doing that beginning the workshops, and you can visit my website.
All right, and we have that number for you, 233-4294. Michelle Aycock, thanks for being with us this evening.
Thank you.